of the city. And that seems to have sparked in Monet an interest in painting the modern city, no doubt hoping to sell them.
This, no doubt, has sparked some interest in the market of collecting comic books.
Mention the words weight loss, and you can certainly spark a debate.
Says this will probably spark a huge debate, as it always does.
But Mr. Trump has also managed to spark controversy in 140 characters, and today his tweets prompted some of the harshest criticism yet.
This sparked controversy about whether celebrities should be held at a higher standard.
These senseless and horrific acts have sparked protests across the country and have outraged family and friends speaking out.
This editorial gave new life to the student protest and sparked protests across the country in support of the students.
Predictably, this sparked outrage on Twitter. People made YouTube videos about it.
Other people can therefore seem perverse or horrible to it, sparking outrage or self-pity.
If this book sparks that conversation and isn't just read and dismissed, then that's good.
Now, this whole process has sparked a huge conversation in TED about how we act more responsibly.